You're sitting there right now, breathing without thinking, blinking without noticing, your heart beating in perfect rhythm. But inside your skull, an organ no bigger than two clenched fists is performing billions of calculations every single second. It controls your memories, your fears, your dreams, your personality. And here's the chilling part. You are never fully aware of what it's doing. Tonight, we're diving into bizarre brain facts that sound unbelievable, yet are completely real. Slow down, listen carefully, because the most mysterious thing in the universe might not be outer space. It might be inside your head. Fact number 1. Your brain uses 20% of your body's oxygen. Even though your brain makes up only about 2% of your total body weight, it consumes roughly 20% of your oxygen you breathe and about 20% of your body's total energy. Pause for a second and imagine that. One tiny organ demanding 1/5 of your life-sustaining oxygen supply. If your oxygen flow stops for just 5 minutes, brain cells begin to die permanently. That's how metabolically active it is. Your brain contains around 86 billion neurons. Each one needs a constant supply of oxygen and glucose to generate electrical signals. These signals allow you to speak, move, solve problems, and even feel emotions. When you concentrate deeply, reading, solving math, or learning something new, certain areas of your brain increase their oxygen demand even more. Functional MRI scans show blood flow shifting toward active regions in real time. It's like a city at night, certain districts lighting up brighter depending on activity. And here's the shocking twist. Your brain has no fuel storage. It can't stockpile oxygen for later. It depends entirely on a continuous supply from your bloodstream. Every breath you take is feeding your thoughts. Fact number 2. Your brain freeze is actually your brain warming itself. That sudden stabbing pain in your forehead when you eat ice cream too fast? It feels like your brain is freezing, but the reality is the opposite. Brain freeze, medically called sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia, happens when something extremely cold touches the roof of your mouth. Blood vessels in that area rapidly constrict, then immediately expand. This rapid expansion increases blood flow to warm the area back up. The pain you feel? It's actually your body's protective response. The trigeminal nerve detects the sudden temperature change and sends a distress signal to your brain. And because of the way nerve pathways are wired, your brain interprets the pain as coming from your forehead. It's referred pain. In other words, your brain isn't freezing, it's protecting itself. What feels like a random, sharp attack of pain is actually a defense mechanism working perfectly. And the fact that your nervous system can detect, interpret, and respond within seconds is nothing short of extraordinary. Fact number 3. You have about 70,000 thoughts daily. Researchers estimate that the average person experiences tens of thousands of thoughts daily, often cited around 60,000 to 70,000. While exact numbers vary, what's undeniable is that your brain is in constant motion. That's thousands of thoughts every hour. Do the math. That's dozens of thoughts every single minute. Many of these thoughts are automatic, subconscious, repetitive. Studies suggest that a significant percentage of daily thoughts are the same ones you had yesterday. Patterns, loops, internal conversations replaying again and again. And here's the unsettling part. Most of those thoughts happen without your deliberate control. Your brain runs simulations constantly, predicting outcomes, analyzing risks, recalling memories, imagining future scenarios. Even when you're resting, even when you're staring at nothing, your brain's default mode network becomes active. It's working in the background, replaying your past, planning your future. In silence, your mind is louder than you think. Fact number 4. The brain feels no pain itself. This might be the most disturbing fact of all. Your brain processes pain signals from every part of your body, but the brain tissue itself has no pain receptors. None. That means the brain cannot feel pain directly. Neurosurgeons have performed awake brain surgeries where patients remain conscious while surgeons operate on brain tissue. Why? Because cutting the brain itself doesn't cause pain. The skull, scalp, and surrounding tissues have pain receptors, but the brain, it does not. This is why headaches aren't caused by your brain hurting. They're caused by surrounding nerves, blood vessels, or muscles sending pain signals. It's eerie to think about. The organ that allows you to experience agony cannot experience it itself. It is both the observer and untouched by what it observes. Fact number 5. Your brain is 73% water. Nearly 3/4 of your brain is water. That means mild dehydration, as little as 2% of body water, can impair attention, memory, and cognitive performance. Think about that. Simply not drinking enough water can literally slow your thoughts. Water helps maintain the brain's electrical conductivity. Neurons communicate through electrochemical signals, and proper hydration ensures these signals travel efficiently. When you're dehydrated, the brain tissue can temporarily contract slightly due to fluid loss. Studies have shown measurable changes in brain volume during dehydration, which reverse after rehydration. Even your mood can shift. Fatigue increases, reaction time slows, focus declines. So the next time you struggle to concentrate, it might not be lack of intelligence, it might just be lack of water. A structure capable of writing symphonies, solving equations, building civilizations is mostly made of water. And that's the incredible paradox of the human brain. It consumes enormous energy, yet weighs almost nothing. It protects itself from the cold with pain, yet cannot feel pain directly. It produces tens of thousands of thoughts, many beyond your awareness. It runs entirely on oxygen and water, fragile, yet unbelievably powerful. The more we learn about the brain, the more mysterious it becomes. If you enjoyed uncovering these bizarre brain facts, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because the greatest mystery you will ever explore is the one thinking these words.